good evening to one and all. I, Vinaya Kusuma, Assistant Professor, EC Department, warmly welcome you to the valedictory function of Atal 5-day online faculty development program on recent trends in the world of photonics. Every end is a new beginning. Though we have come to the end of the FDP, it's a new beginning to many of our excellent and outstanding research ideas. We hope that the sessions were very thought-provoking, enriching, and intellectually stimulating. I now invite Dr. Suresh D, Professor, EC Department, who has always inspired and motivated us to steer towards progress, to deliver the welcome address.
So very good afternoon, one and all, who have joined for today's valedictory function. It's my pleasure to welcome all the guests and participants to the valedictory function, a conclusion session of 5-day Atal FDP sponsored by AICTE. With the blessings of late chairman, Dr. R.N. Shetty, we were able to complete Atal FDP very successfully. On this occasion of valedictory function, I would like to welcome our Honorable MD, Satish R. Shetty in absentia. I would also like to welcome our beloved principal, Dr. M.K. Venkatesha, in his absentia. And we have also with our Dean. I would also like to welcome our Dean, Dr. Andhe Pallavi, Professor and Head, EIE Department, to this event. So we also have with us Department Head, Dr. Vipula Singh. I would like to welcome Dr. Vipula Singh, Professor and Head, Department ICE.
Thank you, sir.
Valedictory function. And this event, has been conducted very successfully by a team headed by Dr. Rajani. I would like to welcome Atal FDP coordinator, Dr. Rajani and her team. Finally, I would like to welcome all the faculty members and participants who have joined from all over India to the valedictory function. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. I welcome you to this function. The coordinator of the FDP, Dr. Rajani Honungar, has been relentlessly working for quite some time to ensure that the objectives of the program are most effectively met. From organizing to coordinating and being available to address the queries of the participants, she has invested herself in the program. May I now request Dr. Rajani Honungar to deliver a report of the FDP.
So it gives me immense pleasure to present the report of 5-day FDP on the topic recent trends in the world of photonics during July 26th to 30th. So it is my first duty to thank Almighty who has showered his blessings for the FDP. I thank our late chairman, Dr. R.N. Shetty, who has been a source of inspiration for all our activities. I would like to thank our MD, Shri Satish Shetty, sir, in his absentia for his support. I also would like to thank our principal, sir, Dr. M.K. Venkatesha, in his absentia, who is a catalyst for all our departmental activities. I am also indebted to our HOD, Dr. Vipula Singh, ma'am, who is a pillar of strength for the conduction of the FDP. She has guided us in every step of the FDP process. The FDP had 14 sessions with 3 sessions per day conducted over a period of 5 days from July 26 to 30. The total number of participants were 117. The participants were very active and responsive in all sessions. I'm very happy to have such participants. And we had the following eminent speakers in our sessions: Dr. T. Srinivas, Professor IAC Bangalore; Dr. Preeta Sharan, Professor TOCE Bangalore; Dr. Meena D, Scientist LRDE DRDO Bangalore; Dr. Mandeep Singh, Assistant Professor NITK Surathkal, Department of ECE; Dr. Seema Pradeep, Professor and HOD, Department of PG Studies, Dravya Guna, Art of Living. Dr. Triveni, Assistant Professor, MC Hassan, Department of ECE. Dr. KV SSSS Sairam, Professor and HOD, Department of ECE, NMA MIT Udupi. Dr. Venkatesh M, Associate Professor, Department of ECE, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology, Bangalore. And Dr. Shivlila, Madam, that is, she is a Principal Research Scientist, Department of ECE, IASC, Bangalore. Dr. Malti Satish, Associate Professor and HOD, Department of ECE, MS Ramaya University of Applied Sciences. I thank them all for their wonderful sessions. In the last session, we have, as instructed by AICTE, a test was conducted to the participants. I thank you all for this participation and hope to have more sessions from, hope to organize more such FDPs and request you to be present for that. Thank you all. Thank you, Vinny.
Thank you, ma'am, for the excellent summary. We believe feedback is essential to help us improvise such endeavors in future. We would be delighted to hear from some of you your experiences of the FDP. I request the participants to kindly unmute and share your. Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. You're audible.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. This is Dr. Hiranmay Mahapatra, Associate Professor, Head of the Department Physics of C.V. Raman Global University, Odisha. So it's my great privilege to be a part of this event. So first of all, I would like to congratulate and thank all the vibrant team members, organizing team members, coordinator, and all research person for making this FTP insightful and informative. I have attended most of the sessions with the intention of gaining knowledge that I have attended completely. So starting from the introductory part of photonic devices to the simulation part, all the sessions were engaging, interactive, and informative. So it's a really wonderful program organized by your team. Thanks to all the members once again, and also AICTE Atal scheme. And I hope I will be a part of your FDP program in the near future. And with the intention of attending this FDP, actually I am working in the field of fiber optics, which is conventional fiber optics. Specifically, I am working in few mode fiber. I want to do some research work by gaining some knowledge of simulation modeling. So in this program, I have learned 3 simulation modeling, WDM, NetSoft, and ANSYS Numerical. Also, last simulation modeling, today it is conducted. So I have gained thoroughly. This is a wonderful journey of mine. Thank you for your team once again. So lastly, thanks to all the research persons for engaging the sessions thoroughly. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your feedback. And we are very glad to hear that these sessions have benefited you a lot. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
I now request if some other participants could also share your experiences.
Good afternoon, madam. Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
So, as ma'am said, it is one of the nice experience, as previous speaker told about that. So, I too have attended all the sessions. I am from Haldia Institute of Technology, Rajiv Kumar Dubey. So, while my MSc, I have the paper of laser spectroscopy, and then photonics I have studied there. So, just due to grow some new interest and again want to do the same things, I have attended this workshop. But I got a lot of information, and again, it was helpful for me to brush up it again. And so nicely conducted, so systematically conducted, everything was nice. So hope so. Near future will be part of this. Thank you, madam. Thank you very much.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Can I
Santosh.
speak?
Yes, definitely. Yeah, please.
Yes. So I'm Santosh Mani. I'm from KJ Somaya College of Engineering, Somaya Vidyavihar University, Mumbai. See, basically, I work in the field of the liquid crystal or soft condensed materials, where I've done a research and I'll be doing. So I would like to congratulate all this organizing committee of this workshop, especially because of simple reason is they have selected in a speaker in such way, I don't know that whether they have communicated it or not, that all the speakers they have started from the beginning, giving the fundamentals, and then they have gone to the application part. This was the beauty of this course, which like I have experienced, when the person of fundamental science can understand and they can go to the application. Very frankly speaking, I did not understand the much simulation part because I am the experimental scientist, but I have tried few things. So mostly I'll be learning. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Rajib, sir. Thank you, Santosh, sir, for your valuable feedback. And we are extremely happy that these sessions in the FDPs have helped you. I mean, can I request the participants to share their experiences? Hello? Yes, yes, sir. You're audible.
Hi everyone, good evening to all. I am Dr. K. Shanmugasundaram, Assistant Professor of Physics, working at Government Arts and Science College, Viluppuram District, Tamil Nadu. Thank you for a great course, FDP. The 5 days online FDP was very interactive, which profited all the participants enormously. Presenter was very knowledgeable and offered valuable information and tips. The great presentation style with lots of opportunities to ask questions and talk about research doubts, which all made for a really enjoyable and informative course. Overall content of this FDP were most insightful and helpful. I want to thank you and your team which was involved in the process of making this FDP so productive. It was a great job done and I will look forward for the attending more course or FDP with you if possible. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you
Thank you,
so
ma'am.
much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. And we also hope to see you in future such FDPs. Thank you so much.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Please go ahead.
Okay.
Yes,
Due to some bandwidth problem, I could not keep my camera on.
okay. No.
I am Dr. Asha Shendge. I am from GH Raisoni Institute of Engineering and Technology, Pune. Madam, this means I want to thank all of you, your Rajni madam and all the coordinators and all you have done good work. Actually, I am basically from the electrical engineering, but due to interest in the photonics, I have recently working on the radar system, photonic radar. So that's why I joined this workshop for the learning purpose. Then what is the exactly photonics? And I really found that it is very helpful for understanding the fundamental, because as I am a electrical engineering, so it helped me to know that what are the elements of the photonics fiber, all components, as well as which softwares are used for the simulation purpose. So it is really, really benefit for me. And I'm once again thankful to Atal AICT as well as RNS SIT. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all for the wonderful feedback. And this has indeed motivated us to do many more such FTPs in future. And I'm sure we will all get your support. Thank you so much. Leaders become great because of their ability to empower others. A true leader in this sense is our dynamic head of the department, Dr. Vipula Singh, who has always inspired us to learn more and become a better version of ourselves every day. Ma'am, may I now request you to deliver the presidential address?
Yeah, thank you, Vinaya. Thank you for such wonderful words. Very good afternoon to all the participants who have joined here. I'm really sorry that on the inaugural day we couldn't join you because we had some LIC visit. So I'm really happy to interact with all of you and listen to such good feedback that you have given. I wish some of you would have given 1 or 2 feedbacks where we could have improved a little bit, because whatever we do, there is always scope for improvement. So everything should not be rosy. Somewhere we should have got some feedback which encourages us to improve ourselves. But nevertheless, I feel let me begin with introducing our department little bit. We are VTU affiliated and NBA and NAC accredited, and NIRF ranking is also there. And the department strives very, very hard to do such events. We have 35 motivated and highly educated faculty, with 14 of them having PhD and another 13 of them are pursuing PhD. So a very strong department, and we have a very nice work culture. Since 2012, we have got 27 university ranks. Out of it, there are 5 first ranks and 17 gold medals to our students. So this talks about the quality of education that we impart, and we rank number 5 in Bangalore among the VTU colleges. And this year also our students have got 2 UG ranks and 4 PG ranks, and we have excellent placement. 66 companies have visited this year in spite of the pandemic, and we have 193 offers our students have got. So we strive really hard. We have shifted to online versions, and everything the faculty were able to translate from the offline to online version. So I hope that this FDP also, I would like to congratulate Dr. Rajni and her entire team for the impeccable planning that they have done. And the sessions went on really smoothly, as it was visible in your presentation, in your feedback also. They have done a lot of planning, that who should be the resource person and what all contents they should be delivering, what all should be the flow plan and everything. So I really want to congratulate Dr. Rajni and their team. They have worked effortlessly for around 15-20 days to make sure that we start on time and finish on time. So a big congratulations to the entire team. And this is a hallmark for EC department, that we keep doing such workshops and other things. In a series of this, we are doing one international conference, which is C-Cube 2021, which is approved by IEEE in a collaboration with IEEE International Conference, which is supposed to happen on December 23rd and 24th. Since most of you are research scholars, or you will have students, those who are doing research, I request all of you to please submit your papers. It will be appearing in IEEE Explore with the ISBN number and also with your Scopus indexing. So I request all of you, Dr. Rajni, please forward the poster and the call for.
Yes, ma'am, I've already put it. I've already put it on the group.
So it will be there in the IEEE website. You can go to IEEE website and see that it is there in the listing of upcoming conferences. I'm also very, very happy to say that all the faculty contribute to the growth of the department. In this year, from 2021, we have almost 10 patents which are already filed, and 1 patent is granted to the department faculty. And similarly, publications, FDPs and all are, we keep doing. And I wish that this workshop should have been offline, so that you could have visited us, stayed with us, so that a little more interaction could have happened, and you could have seen our lovely green and neat campus. We have a temple on campus, and beautiful auditorium. Unfortunately, because of pandemic, we are doing it online. But one good advantage is that we can have more registrations. You can join from your comfort of your home, but we would have loved to have you in our campus. So I really thank all of you to participate, that you have participated in the FDP and taken good advantage. And I would like the entire team of RNSIT EC department to conduct many such more workshops and conferences for the help of the teaching community. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Events like this see success with the contributions of many individuals on screen and off screen. I now request Mr. Sanjay Belgaonkar to deliver the vote of thanks.
Thank you, ma'am. Very good evening to all. It's a great honor and privilege to propose vote of thanks to this memorable occasion. I would like to start by giving glory to the Almighty for making this FDP a memorable one. I express my gratitude to our beloved chairman, late Dr. R.N. Shetty, and MD, Sri Satish R. Shetty, for providing the state-of-art facilities. I thank AICTE Training and Learning Academy for approving and sponsoring this program. We are grateful to our principal, Dr. M.K. Venkatesha, for his words of encouragement, and his able guidance has always motivated us. I thank you, sir. I thank our Dean, Dr. Ande Pallavi, ma'am, for her continued support. I would like to express my sincere thanks to our HOD, Dr. Vipula Singh, for her unstinted support. I owe special gratitude to the FDP coordinator, Dr. Rajani V. Honnungar, who has worked hard to ensure that this FDP becomes a memorable one. I thank all the distinguished speakers for accepting our invitation and sharing their knowledge and experience. My heartfelt thanks to all teaching and non-teaching staff members of our department for their valuable contribution. Last but not the least, I thank all participants for their active participation in all the sessions and thus making this FDP a resounding success. Thank you one and all. Yeah, just one last announcement to all the participants. To receive your certificates, it is mandatory to provide the feedback on the complete FDP on the Atal portal. So I request all participants to kindly give your feedback on the complete FDP on the AICTE Atal portal. And within a week, we will submit the attendance and the test scores. And once these things are submitted, you will be able to download your certificate from the AICTE Atal portal after the submission of the feedback. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. With this, we have come to the end of the valedictory function. Thank you all for joining us. Stay safe and happy learning. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
I thank you all participants. Wish you good luck in your future.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Just one photo we can take, one last photo.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, sorry.
I request all of you to please switch on your camera so that we can take a photo, a group photo. Little bit